So the hardware on this piece has so much paint on it. I'm going to, I have white vinegar and water boiling right now, and I'm going to add the hardware and see if sitting for a while will make this stuff come off. I'll see how it goes. I could not be more excited right now. This is how I got the hardware. It's so crazy. And then this is what it looks like after I've taken everything off. I am like so excited. There was 2 layers of paint. There's a brown and then a white underneath it that somebody like hand painted. And soaking it in the vinegar and water, this stuff is literally just like peeling off super easy as compared to when I've done it before with like strippers and stuff. It's just hard. And this has worked really good, and I've just used like a toothbrush to just take out like the fine pieces. But yeah, super excited.